I know how these hoes do. If I know Vinny Cool, babe, I'ma show you. You could have a new life. I just got a new wife. And I'm home with the gangsters, I'm tryna shoot dice. Made them my shoes tied. So the look inside the pudding, that's where the truth lies. Young nigga too fly, AMG that coupe ride. I don't ever talk a lot, so I can't say how do die. I just matter she too loud, so the story be two sides. Yeah, my side or my side, I'll let you decide. Only like blues, I won't change on them. V8, switch lanes on them. Push a button, I lose the brain on the gang members. How you my brother and then you change, nigga? I know your head lost. Flip a coin, we on your tail, rip your head off. All dogs go to heaven, you a dead dog.
Yeah, my other GoPro battery. Yeah. There it go. And we out.
Figure this the name later. She don't even know. She don't even know who out here now. I might do that.
My shit had died.
Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga.
You ain't gonna let it go.
You better, shit, Z better not let you outshoot his ass.
He ain't let me, so he better not let your ass.
Yeah, I ain't bet.
Yeah, we shot the same day for the test.
Yeah, what you shot?
I shot like an 87. Well, the first time I got like a 70.
I ain't gonna bet, cause I know dude be labbing up.
But he'll get me long range too. But then next time I scored 85. But he beat me.
He shot one time?
Yeah.
Z?
Yeah. 90. Both times. 90, 92.
90 and 92?
Yeah. He was hitting that shit, bro.
That's just 1 9, 2 9s.
But, 2, that's right. Z had, not Z, Quick had shot like a 97 too though.
Damn, 97. Damn.
Yeah.
I didn't get my shit up.
I ain't gonna bet. This nigga be labbing up, and he janky.
Don't worry, when I take my test different now, my shit gonna be 90, 97.
Yeah.
Hey, you know you gotta take 2 on the day and the night test. 97 quick. Hey.
Yeah, nah, that nigga Quick could shoot.
Y'all outside labor suit?
Yeah. Let me get that one.
Which one you shoot at? Skeleton?
Yeah, let me get that. I don't want to take something.
You did.
This nigga bet not let me out shoot him.
Trying to tell you.
I'm gonna take videos and pictures. Look, you trying to take videos.
Ha!
Hey, take no video.
Hey, you ready?
Yeah.
Ahead, do you?
Y'all been here warming up?
Hey, hold on now. Make a video.
It recording.
It's recording. Or I can get my footage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know that shit goes straight to your
We
phone.
betting.
You was gonna say to let 3 at the bottom.
I dropped the nose on.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. You did good.
Did your grip loosen up?
I was choking. This is clean.
You getting right now.
You can. Yeah, you getting right.
What that is?
Oh shit. Everything in here is 5. Right here is 4. And then 3. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Number 9. 55. Let me get the bottom one.
54. 59, my fault.
55.
59.
Huh?
59, because that's a 4, right?
Yeah, 59. 50, that's 60, 61, 62, 63, 66.
Hold on. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30,
It should be 17 shots.
35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 64.
No, anything on this right here is 4. 7 is 4. So 8 and N is all 5.
So how much you shot?
I shot 17 shots.
No, I'm saying what you shot. How much?
look.
What's your points?
I'm about to do it now.
Nah,
Look.
what's your points? You just counted it, right?
We right here.
Let's count again.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Alright.
Yeah, sir. We trying to. I ain't even let y'all know what they were doing, but they trying to see who the better shooter. They got a little $100 wager, a little friendly bet, little friendly $100 wager.
Now, how we doing this?
Let's go there.
We shooting one time?
We can shoot twice if you want. Knock yourself out, player.
Security versus the artist.
I'm trying to do hold at 3. So I'm gonna rock with 86. Really nice,
Wait, it was
bro.
supposed to be higher?
Yeah. I'm gonna rock with 86 though.
Okay, okay.
You heard me. I'm gonna rock with 86. You heard me. I'm gonna rock with 86. That shit different. I but I'm gonna rock with 86.
Yes, sir.
Why you had your eyewear on?
Huh?
Why you had your eyewear on?
So in case it bounce back and shit, they don't go in your eyes. The lead don't go in your eyes and shit. Yeah, do you? Straight.
That boy did the little baby script.
You wanna add those up for me?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 83.
Oh!
I think you missing a shot there.
And he missed one. And you got one off the board too. That's not even 17, that's 16, my boy.
Hey, you should have spanked me though, right?
Definitely.
But hold on. But what did I
That
just
shit
say?
was a little close.
What I say though? I said I'm gonna go with 86. But I counted them as 3, that's really 4. So that's 90.
No, that ain't.
Yes, it is. Don't 4. I counted them as 3. I can't. It's supposed to be a 4. It's really 90 songs.
Let me recount my shit.
Yeah. Look, in the arm, that's 3.
20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 83. Huh.
I mean, you missed one.
And I really got 90 songs.
No, you didn't.
Alright, you want me? Dre, come here.
Let's reshoot though.
we can. Okay,
let's do best out of 3.
Count it up, count it
Let's do
up.
best out of
Let's
3.
do the real count then. 5.
Nah, fuck that, fuck that. Look, nah, you got it.
Yo.
Let's do best out of 3 though.
Best out
Let's do best out of 3.
of 3?
Best out of 3.
Alright, bro.
He should have spanked me. You see them bitches though.
Nah, you definitely up there. You shooting them bitches though for sure.
Yeah.
You shooting them bitches for sure.
Yeah, don't play. Niggas shoot now.
Boy, that motherfucking AC cold as fuck.
And I'm fuck that shit cooking.
That motherfucking AC got there freezing.
You about to go shoot them bitches?
You missed one out the board. That's on me though, but all of my bitches hit 5. Oh, you was in there. All them bitches hit 5, Drake.
You was here. Shotty was here.
All them bitches was hitting 5. You got lucky with 2 shots, boy. You got lucky with 2 shots, boy. Hey. Ooh, I got carried away.
Where y'all shoot at? This far? 10? Oh, look. 10. You gotta go to it.
This mine. I was off 2 shots, man, but all the
Else is in.
Wait.
Do it like they do in the marksman.
Wait, nah. So we added these numbers. We not adding these numbers.
No, we do it this way. When we do it that way, fuck that. That's
Oh,
the
so
security guard bullshit.
That's the way I did. Oh, no. So let's add these. Let's add these.
Yeah, add up the points and see who got most points.
Hold on. Let's add these.
This is security guard.
That's why I
security guard.
That's why I said. That's why I said.
No. You private. You here. You real deal.
That's how I know how. That's how I know how to add them up.
We do points. It's like we on the special police. We go ahead and do points and see who do points. We talking marksman, not qualification. We talking about who got the most points.
My bad. Look, wait.
All right, so add these.
You doing it the right
who
way.
knows?
We doing it the marksman way.
We doing it the marksman way.
Okay, we
Yeah,
doing the
add those
marksman way.
points.
Go.
Add
So
the
who
points.
lost?
Add your point.
9 times what? What you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, 9 times 12. All right, and then how many 8s you got?
3.
Add it up. See what we got. And then the 3 7s. Let's see who wins. About to get a market. Add it up.
You got 146.
What you have?
Go ahead.
146.
Yeah.
Tied, nigga, exactly, Drake.
So you won?
You got the marksman.
Tied.
Security guard, you doing it right.
Tied. 146 to 146. Exactly, nigga. Stop playing.
We tied.
Huh?
Stop
I
playing.
told y'all he was janky. I told you he was janky. This nigga be labbing up.
Run it back.
I told y'all he be labbing up, boy.
Hey, security wise, I
Trying
won.
to cheat me.
Security wise, I won.
Marksman, we tied. I ain't scared.
Oh, he's scared. Okay. Round two.
We might gotta go back. Get some more, boy. I can't believe that boy played with me. 9. I ain't the same. It's the same as I used to be. Oh yeah, you over here? Oh yeah. No, you got it. Man, how this nigga got big plate shit and I don't?
Man, I gotta bring that shit to you.
He lost. Let me see. He lost.
After we leave here, I'm gonna go to the house and grab like 5, 6 colors and bring them to you.
He lost.
Hold on, boy. I hit that more. Hey. Yeah, like
That's a couple.
Like,
Nah, that look.
boy.
How many of that?
That's a lot. Look, that's a lot.
1, 2, 3. 1,
This how you gotta
2,
do.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
Yeah. Okay.
So look. Oh wait.
see what he talking about.
I'm moving like that too. Hold on. Let me count my shit. I'll let you count your shit. Hold on. Back up.
Hold on, now Drake, get in with the camera. Get up. Drake, get in with the camera, bro.
I ain't got cheat. Hold on, that's about 3 right there.
So look. This how you do it. Count on the outside first, and then give you the inside.
Nah, I'm gonna
count
count these, nigga. Watch out, nigga. I'm count my shit. I'll count my shit, nigga.
That's 3.
This 3, right?
That's 2.
Boy, that's not 3.
That's 2. You just hit them back to back. That's 2.
What's that?
That's 2, bro. You hit
All right,
them
let's
back
count
to
the
back.
shots. Hold on, I'm gonna just count the shots first.
I don't know, that kind of do look like.
That look like 3.
Hey, count the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4, right?
All right, hold on. Watch out.
What y'all
four, right?
think? That's 2 or 3.
1, 2, 3,
4.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, I ain't missed no shots either.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's only 13. I ain't missed.
14, 15, 16, 17.
Thank you, that's 3. So you just
That's
counted
2.
it. You just counted it with your finger.
That's 2, bro. I counted that right there, 17.
No, that's 3. Oh, my fault.
Yeah,
All right,
you missed that one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right?
Yo, 8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's 3. Thank you. Tink.
Yeah, you can tell.
That's 3.
Look in the middle.
You can see it at the top right there. Okay.
Yeah.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my God. Man, I watch too many action movies.
Bitch said I watch too many action movies.
I've seen every fucking movie that I don't, nigga. While I was watching Mission Impossible, nigga, you was watching Rush Hour 3.
You way off.
You was watching Rush Hour 3, nigga. While you was watching Colombiana, nigga.
Yo.
Smoking aces.
Yo, my motherfucking nigga. I was that bitch in the window with the big 50-pound fighter, nigga.
Crying and shit, busting shit. Get up!
That was my bitch.
Get up!
You lost already. This bitch is too spread out. My shit connected like the Wi-Fi.
Oh, yeah, the rest of the bitch.
Yeah, look at that one bitch way down there. Who the fuck was you seeing? Count that up. Watch him try to say one of them bitches was 2.
You got it. You won.
Nah,
You won.
why you say that? How much that is?
You won.
Nah, I might shoot bad.
You won.
I might shoot bad.
Oh, yeah, the rest of See what side you want to shoot, nigga.
Definitely.
You trying to focus.
Nah, I was just shooting. That's my first time shooting today. For the third round, y'all ought to goddamn shoot it with the 40.
I won.
For the third round, y'all to shoot with the 40.
Shit, I won. I just beat that nigga 2-0. These bitches don't even count. That's 2-0 though.
Cause they didn't hit guns, so y'all might as well shoot with somebody gun y'all ain't used
You
to.
wanna switch yours?
We can.
That one got them better than last time. Yeah, why you got a single stack then?
Huh?
Why you bought a single stack? Like flip.
It came like this. Did the one it came with?
Yeah, get you a double. You still got that
Yeah, I still my extended clip in the car. That big got straight goddamn these in the door. I ain't want to goddamn.
I need to goddamn.
Alright, they was shooting with this, the G19 X. What y'all shoot with now?
Oh, y'all got one of those.
You say what?
I got one of those, so.
Now they shoot with this. What is this? Smith & Wesson 40? Oh nah, this a 9. Smith & Wesson 9.
Still 17 rounds.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's quick, so you got it's up to minute.
Go.
You ready?
Go!
One of them ain't hit. 1, 2, 3.
One ain't hit.
7, 8. That's 15. 9. That's 24. I might not hit for none of these.
This is what you've been living for, huh? When you ready? What you be doing now, huh?
You comfortable?
You ready?
Go!
Shots. 2 shots each. Keep the same time?
Yes.
I'll put my shit on.
We don't know what to do.
I don't argue switch the topic. I just told bro to lock in.
Yo, come in.
Go. Go to at the top. Headshot.
Headshot.
Headshot. You trying to face him.
Got off on a nigga. Yes, sir.
You got off on
Ended that bit quick.
Headshot. Headshot. But we ain't out there, baby. We here now. We going for points. Hold on. Let me get comfortable though before you say go. All right.
Go! That shit was slow.
That's his trigger though.
Slow.
That
I
shit
don't know your
definitely
trigger
slow.
though.
That shit was slow, nigga.
On my mama. All right, so look, I'll shoot again.
That shit was slow. Here, you can use the 2 critical doses ones. I don't even care.
Yeah, cause
That shit was slow
But
as
you gotta
hell.
think, I don't know your trigger. That's all that it is. I'm squeezing.
It's light, bro. You ain't
Yeah,
gotta
that's what I'm
squeeze hard.
saying. You got, come on now.
It's light, bro.
I ain't sit here and be like, nah, nigga, I ain't shooting again.
No, bro. It's
I
light,
ain't shooting
bro.
again. So we know which 2 though.
Yeah.
That one by the 9.
It's the 8. You got the. I mean
That one by the 8 and that one by the 9.
Yeah.
I don't know this nigga trigger. How you pulling it? You pulling it with this part of
Nah,
your
you
finger or
don't.
the
You
tip
don't
of
never
your
pull,
finger?
pull it with that. You pull it with this right here.
Yeah, see, I don't know your finger. Hell no. Nigga, fuck this shit.
And just, bah, 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 bah.
Go. Yeah, okay.
Still one. Still one, see? I'm him. I still won. That's the fourth. Oh, let's go. Hey, Dre.
Yes, sir.
Mandatory motherfucking meeting time.
So 40. One person about first thing $10.
You tell me ready? Huh? You need to put your eyes on.
Okay, I'll show you in just a minute because I'll teach you so you know what to tell them. So 233 minus 60 is 173.09.
How are you?
Your car.
What, Dre? What just happened, Dre?
Hey, he did it to him quick.
Hey, how many times out of all the times we shot? We shot about six times,
I shot
right?
like 6 times.
How many times he won? Twice.
Like 1 or 2.
Once. Matter of fact, once.
The rest was tied 2 times.
Yeah, it was once and a tie, wasn't it?
2 ties, and
Once
you won
and
the
2
rest.
ties.
You won the rest.
So I won 3.
I ain't count.
I won 3, but it was 2 ties out of 6. It's 3.
They got somebody bound over there.
Money brand calling, but it's all this way. And one of the plans, get my claims.